Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brianna and today I'm going to be filming this look that's currently on my face and my eyes. It's a pinky cranberry look but long wearing because I'll be wearing this makeup look for unfortunately like 12 hours. I hate wearing makeup that long, just disclaimer. I like it on and off, but I'm going to have this on from the morning until the very last minute before I wash my face and get into bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. A lot of it is similar to what I did in my last with some of the face products that I use. So those portions I'm just going to fast forward through so I don't bore you guys to death and it's not repetitive. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please like, subscribe, comment anything you'd like to say, suggest. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so to prime my face, I'm going to take the Hangover Primer again. I love this primer. There's no getting away from it. If anyone else has other primer suggestions, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I know that this works well on my skin. Doesn't make me break out and just helps keep the makeup on all day. Next, I'm going to take the Porefessional and just put a little bit right here because I'm leaving this makeup on all day. And I just want to make sure it looks its best the whole time and my pores don't break through oils. So it's going to be a very matte look. Okay, now I'm going to take the Nars. I'm pretty sure this is the matte foundation. It's almost empty. And then the Fenty one. It's also very matte. Especially the Fenty. The Fenty gives you a very, very nice overall finish. But if you're extremely dry, I would not recommend them because it is very matte. So like as you can see, I just applied that and my skin it doesn't look like it needs to be set. Okay, next, using Shape Tape again. And that's only because I'm just doing what I know right now will work best on my skin to keep my makeup lasting all day long. These two parts, the concealer and then when I go into cream contour, they're exactly the same from my last video. So I'm just gonna fast forward through it so I don't bore you guys to death. Okay, next I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Cream Foundation Stick to contour again. And then we're gonna go in with that same brush that I used from last time. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Shape Tape along the sides of the contour so that I can just blend it out and we don't have such a harsh line. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder again, put it along the sides of my nose, and press it under my eyes. And anywhere else that I concealed. When you see me putting powder here, that's because I get smile lines. I was just blessed with smile lines and it creases. I just like to fill it up with some powder. Okay, now since I am gonna wear this all day, like I won't be taking this off. It's 9 a.m. now. I'm not gonna take this off until like 8 p.m. maybe later. So I'm gonna take a pressed foundation. This is the one by Benefit. I love this. It makes your skin look very smooth and it does help, in my opinion, keep it lasting a lot longer. So I'm going to set everywhere else besides where I cream contoured with this powder. Okay, now I'm going to take my Hoola Caramel bronzer again and just go over all the contour. Next, I'm going to contour my nose and I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. So I'm going to put powder over the cream contour just to enhance it more. Okay, now I'm going to go back with the Laura Mercier powder and just bake the sides of my nose so that, once again, I don't make this nose contour too harsh. Okay, now we're going to go in with my blush again, California. Next, I'm going to go into this Too Faced holiday palette from last year's collection and use the highlighter #blessed for my cheeks. Also, I'm really sorry for this glare. I just have a window and the sun is shining through it. Actually, let me see if I can fix it. So I tried, but it didn't really work out. Okay, back to square one. Okay, now I'm gonna take some more powder, translucent powder, and just carve out my cheekbones to make it more clean and a snatched contour. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the Brow Wiz again. I'm just gonna fast forward through this because no one wants to see me try to do my brows again. It's pretty boring. Okay, so now that those are put on, I'm going to dust off all the powder on my face. But now we're going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to take the Huda New Nude palette and create like a cranberry pinkish look. Okay, so the first color we're going to take is the color Secret. We're going to put that in my crease. Also, I didn't set my eyelids, so just make sure if there's any creasing to pat that out, because you don't want to set your creases with eyeshadow. It wouldn't look pretty. It'll look very patchy and not cute. Also, this color I'm going to blow out, so I'm going to bring it back a little bit more towards my hairline than usual. Just gives it a more cat eye, like uplifting effect when you go on with all the other colors and liner and all that. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Teddy right here, the one down in the corner, and put that in my crease as well, just a little bit lower. And again, we're gonna blow it out. Okay, now, I'm really sorry I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna dip it back into the Carli Byble Anastia palette. I told you I love it. We're gonna go into the shade Stev, just to give it a little more of that cranberry effect, because right now we just have pinks layered down. And we're gonna put this in the crease again, but just a little bit deeper. And again, each shade I take into my crease, I'm gonna blow out a bit towards my hairline. But as I go deeper into the crease, I'm gonna keep the shade closer to my eyelid as well, if that makes any sense. So like for example, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to blow it out, but not far. So you see I'm making smaller brush motions. And I'm going to go back with the shade Teddy and go over and blow that out even more. Okay, so I'm going to go back into my crease the last time with a darker brown shade, but it has like red tint to it. It's in the Huda Desert Dusk palette. It's called Oud. Okay, so now this color I'm just going to keep on the outer portion and tuck it very close between my crease and my lid. And the motion you see me doing right now, that's just slightly blowing it out as well. Now I'm going to go back in with the original fluffy brush and just go over everything. Okay, now for the lid colors, I'm going to go back into my Huda New Nude palette and take the shade, hold on, my palette's a little dirty, Fancy. And I'm going to take my flat brush, spray with some setting spray, and then go in with the shade. And with this shade, as you can see, it has like little specks of white, like they look like crystals within it. I'm going to aim for that section so it gives that like three-dimensional effect on my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with my finger a bit just to really pack on that color. Okay, now we're going to take the shade Daydreamer. I'm just going to take the same flat shader brush and put it on the outer part of my eye. So now on the outer portion of my eyes, I'm just going to go back with the shade Oud from the Huda Desert Dusk palette. And just do the outer V. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Teddy and run it all the way across. and bring it down. I'm gonna go back with that cranberry shade and run it tighter, but all the way across as well. Next, I'm gonna go back to the shade Fantasy and place it right in the center. And then I'm going to go back in with Daydreamer. So I'm just gonna put it on the outer portion of my eye now for the lower lash line. We're just gonna take whatever's left over on the brush that I use, the shade Oud, and run it on the outer portion. And again, kind of blow it out upward. Now I'm gonna take a smaller, like, dense brush, spray it, and go into the shade Bowley and tuck it right into my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe the excess off of that brush and go back into the palette that I used for my highlighter so I can highlight my nose. And again, start with 2 dots and then a line. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Dagger tattoo liner, and this is, oh, maybe not. Okay, that's really frustrating. Do you see what happened to it? That is a setup for failure if I was to try to use this, because those bristles that are extending outward will literally get all over. So let's change. Okay, honestly, I'm gonna go back with the OG Sephora eyeliner. This eyeliner, if it didn't do what I said I hate, which is causing it to leak on the inner corner, I would love this liner. It is so black. It doesn't take much to cover up any shimmers, but it does that thing and it waters very badly. Anyway, enough with my rant. I'm gonna do this very fast and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply lashes. They're the faux mink wispies, demi wispies from Ardel. So I just bend them a little bit when they're brand new to kind of help arch it, because your eye shape is in the shape of an arch. And apply some glue, let it get tacky, and then I just apply it. Starting in the center, working to the outer, and then inner. Okay, so these are just very, like, natural, fluttery looking, and that's just what I wanted for this look, because I didn't want to cover all of the work I just did on my eyes. So I just wanted it to enhance my natural lashes. Next, I'm gonna take my mascara and just blend them together. So now I'm gonna take the foundation off of my lips, put on a little chapstick before I apply lipstick, but I'm not gonna leave that sitting under because it'll just rub off from all the oils. I just like to push it in and take off the excess. So now I'm gonna take the lip liner Byble. You can guess who it's made by. Okay, well, this is fun. I don't know where my sharpener is, so we'll work with it. I'm just gonna take this shade from Anastasia. It's a liquid lip. I didn't want it to be too light because my eyes are very, like, dramatic in the sense of a pink look, so I didn't want, like, a pink on my lips also. I wanted, like, a mauve-y color, and that's what I just got with this. So now lastly, I'm gonna spray my face. Oh, I forgot to highlight my Cupid's bow. Whatever is excess left on this. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll be sure to get more up for you guys. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, or if I figure out how to edit it, I'll put it here, or maybe here, or somewhere down there. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Again, still new to this. But yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye!